to be here for her. That's not really balanced.
Yeah.
But I get we have to give her grace like you said, but I just feel a little bit kind of like, dang, that's kind of annoying, but.
Yeah, I just feel like it always comes at my expense. Like, my birthday now always feels like it's an inconvenience to everybody else. I'm trying, but sometimes I'll be feeling bad. Yeah, no.
I hope you did that.
Okay, for the meals this week, for breakfast, we're gonna do an egg bake. It's gonna be very easy. It's gonna have broccoli, spinach, eggs, obviously, and I don't know, I might add turkey bacon or something. We'll see. Lunch is also gonna be easy. I'm gonna get some kind of rotisserie chicken, sweet potatoes, arugula, goat cheese. It's supposed to be like a sweet greens that Harvest Bowl, basically making that just at the house. Actually, speaking of, I'll need to get some apples for that. And then for dinner, I'm gonna keep it easy. I'm gonna do French onion meatloaf, because it's just so easy to just mix up in a bowl actually and throw into the oven. And then I have some like frozen green beans, so I'll just do that. So that's the plan. So I'll probably leave in a few minutes to get it going. Happy Sunday. I also don't have a church home right now. Otherwise, I'd be at church right now, but it's also right after Thanksgiving, so a lot of churches aren't doing a service, so, which is nice for the sake of recovering, because I have to do laundry, clean up, meal prep for the week. So we're getting right back into it. Okay, y'all, is this one giving tea or is it giving ugly? Let me show you. So, I'm not gonna see myself though. Okay, so I have these like leg warmers on. And hold on, and then I'm gonna get my scarf. So, I was gonna throw on this little like scarf, right? Do a little like scarf moment. I think I like it. Feel the girlies that are like, I'm overstimulated because the scarf, the bag, the jacket, the bag slips off. It's just like a lot. I get it now. Can I have half of this? Okay, meatloaf never looks that crazy appetizing, but this is the finished result. And I'm hungry and I'm tired, so I'm not gonna make this cute.